It's time for you, me, and nothing but the numbers, baby. No talking points, no talking heads, no smoking guns. Just the raw numbers and you and I. And right now, America, tonight's number is 1. So here's the thing. For eons, America, we've heard Republicans say that the Affordable Care Act will not increase the insured population. Then they said, well, it will increase the insured population, but only because of the mandate, because they're forcing you to get health care insurance. Blah, 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 blah. Well, according to Gallup, this week we found out that in the last quarter, we saw a decrease of 1% of the uninsured, meaning 3 million Americans. Yes, indeed, America, put your hands up and get ready to receive it. 3 million Americans in the past 3 months, January, February, March, got health care. 3 million. 3 million Americans got health care insurance. Now, Gallup has not kept this data for as long as you would think, but this is the first time in a very, very long time, in almost, 4 or 5 years, that we've seen a downward sloping curve when it comes to the insured. Yes, indeed, America is true. At the height, 18% of Americans were uninsured. Now we're down to 11.9% of Americans who still don't have health insurance. This law works, right? Because let's be very real. Health insurance means you can go to the doctor and not worry about the bill. Yeah, I know people are like, oh, we have a high deductible. Hell, at least you have a goddamn deductible. Come on. Because think about it. Before you had a deductible, you had to pay the whole enchilada. And when you couldn't pay the whole enchilada like a lot of Americans couldn't have, that money's deferred unto everyday Americans. It's paid it's deferred to our tax base, or it's deferred to our health insurance. So for once in our lifetime, the cost curve on healthcare is going down. And that has everything to do with the fact that there's more folks in the marketplace, and there's more folks getting healthcare. And the more folks have healthcare, the healthier America becomes, because more folks will go to the doctor. Right? You can get that annual physical, get the pap smear, the mammogram screening, the prostate test that you need to make sure that you're healthy. America, this is a step in the right direction. We are the only developed world that does not have universal health care. And this is just one step in the right direction. Don't let anybody tell you differently. Let no one tell you differently, because they're just lying to you.